How to fix Roblox widescreen when you try to join a game. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Here you'll go to the Roblox player application. Now you will press right click and go to Properties. Once here, you'll go to the section that says Compatibility. Here you'll select the option Run this program, Incompatibility Modes 4, and you will choose Windows 8. Here what you will do is select these two options, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Now you'll just go to Apply, and you can also go to Run the Compatibility Troubleshooter, and this will fix the problem based on the version of Windows that you have. Then go to Accept. And now go back to Roblox Player to open it. You'll try to enter to a game, and this should have fixed the widescreen by now. And that's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.